Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, things are fine. Now, this is a little kind of tricky of a chart to talk about because there's perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, who knows, maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now again, from the bigger picture point of view, I get it. The price did pull back, but from that point of view, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. And really the best way to illustrate this is, let me show up a little bit more context here. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say, let me adjust this level of support actually down to 15 for the example here. And again, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but I'm trying to get a little bit more extreme with the example so you can see that the bulls truly are still in full control, assuming you care about the big picture and overall chart. But let's say that the price came all the way down here to 15 and then behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on the big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows even down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have from the big picture? Well, you very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So sure, and I realize again that if you're a day trader, flipper, and you bought right there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps all the way down there. But that's why I try to offer up the warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, the price pulled back today from those highs, but think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.